Okay, in the next video tutorial of your car rental project, or you can say the vehicle rental project, I'm going to use repository in the index section method of your controller, that is vehicle controller. And here we have iVehicle repository like that. So just I want to use page number as well as the page size, and just I want to take it few parameters in it here, like the page number is 1, that is the optional parameter you can say. So page number is 1 and the page size is 10, and I want to implement the paging right here. And you can notice that here we have a vehicle repository dot get vehicles. Okay, so here we have that get all vehicles, and just I'm going to teach you. I'm going to divide these things into the pagings. So you can notice that a vehicle repository dot get vehicles have a asynchronous method. So just try. I'm going to try it out here. That is await and async methods. So you notice that dot toString method and toList method is not there, because here we have enumerable types of the vehicles. So that's fine. So now just after that you have to pass result, get awaiter and get result also. And after that you can notice that your take and skip method is applied on your list. And you can use get awaiter and get result right here. Okay. And after that you will notice that you just remove the section, the wait. And notice that also that get result method just applied, you can say just take and the skip method also here. You notice that the function of the paging is that first to skip the page by using page number multiplied by page size minus page size. And here we have that is the page number multiply page size, and the next one is that is the page size. Okay, so here we have the page number multiplied by page size minus page size. Everything is fine, but that is method is used in the skip instead of take. So here we have a method that is skip, and just I want to use it here. That is page number multiplied by page size minus page size. Everything is nice. Just I'm going to the next section, that is take, and I'm going to use page size right here. Everything is fine. Now the paging is enabled on your vehicles like that. Okay, so after that you will go for the next step. Just I'm going to use a view model right here and also a mapper. Okay, so here we have, you know, that as a mapper is a profile is also created in the last video tutorial. And just I'm going to add a new thing, that is the new folder, and take utilities. And under the utilities folder, just I'm going to take a new class for the paging, that is the page info class. And here I'm going to take some few properties like current page, like total pages, like page item per page, items per page. Okay, and total pages, just I'm going to count by using the ceiling methods of your total items per page. Okay, so here we have a total pages, that is math.ceiling method, and just I'm going to convert it like that. And here we have two other boolean properties, that is has previous page, also has we have next page. Previous page is enabled when the current page is greater than 1, and the has page is enabled when the current page is smaller with the total pages. So on the basis of these things, we can enable the paging in your razor pages. Okay, so everything is fine. Now just go for the next section. So here we have the next thing is to add, that is list vehicle view model. And in the list vehicle view model, just I'm going to place in the index page. So I'm going to tell you that is list vehicle view model, that is show the first page, that is search string, a list of the vehicles, and as well as the paging. So here we have three things you can add it here. But before the list vehicle view model, just I'm going to add a list of the vehicle view model. So the same property right here I'm going to add from the model in the view model. So here we have public date time, dated date, and created date is deleted like that. So here we have a public integer ID, string, vehicle name, vehicle model, vehicle number, vehicle color, vehicle image, etc. So here we have lots of options there, like is available, is deleted, and by default it is deleted is false, is available is true, and created date is that date time dot utc now. Okay, so everything you know, it's a very simple thing. I'm going to add it here, and you can also add it by using yourself. So this is the basic terms to use in the vehicle view model. The next thing you can do with the next class, that is list vehicle view model, just I'm going to add the next class, that is just I'm going to add IEnumerable of vehicle view model. Okay, so here we have the list of the vehicle view model. Right here I'm going to use vehicle list. The next term is to page info class. So here we have a public page info, and the next one that is resolved in the from the utility namespace, that is vehicle rental project dot web dot utilities. And the next one is to use, that is the next page, that is string type property, and just I'm going to add the next one, that is searching text. Okay, okay, so everything is fine. Now just I'm going to, behalf of this list view model, just I'm going to create a new views on the basis of this scenario. So here we have the var vehicles, so vehicles repositories dot get vehicles, that get awaiter, get result dot skip page number multiply by page size minus page size, and like that. I'm going to, here we have to add the new thing, that is imapper in the project. So here we have to use imapper underscore mapper. Actually mapper is used to converting your view model to model and model to view model with the few properties. So here I'm going to add mapper, and here we have the view model class, so underscore mapper dot map with the few properties like IEnumerable of type, like that. So you can do it yourself. Basic terminology I'm going to use it here, and also you can use view mapper configuration in the program.cs file. But here you notice that just I'm going to use underscore mapper dot map IEnumerable of vehicle view model vehicles. Okay, so here I'm going to convert the model to the view model class, and after that we will use a view model right here and remove the that is mapping profile, that is create map, and here we have that is vehicle to source to the destination. So here we have vehicle, and here we have vehicle list vehicle view, vehicle view model. Okay, so that's fine. Now I'm going to use, okay, so here we have that all the such things we can cover it in this chapter. So here we have where vehicle view model. So just convert it, and just I'm going to create an instance of vehicle view model, list vehicle view model. So new list vehicle view model, just I'm going to add it here. So here we have a new list vehicle view model, and here I'm going to add the parameters. Like the first one is the vehicle view model. So vehicle list, just I'm going to use view model. And the next one is the page info class, new page info. That is the page property, page info. Okay, so page info is actually a property. So just right here, I'm going to add page info equals to new page info class. Just I'm going to create a new one. And here I'm going to add item per page. That is definitely the size of the page, and the current page, that is the page number, and total pages and total items per page, that is defined by using vehicles.repositories.toList.count. Okay, so everything you know that, and on the basis of that, just I'm going to design the views. Okay, so everything is fine. Now the next topic, or you can say that the next thing you can add, that is the you can say middleware. Okay, so what middleware, just I'm going to add it here. If any exceptions occur, then we go for the middleware, that is the custom middleware, and handle the exceptions. So I'm going to add a global exception handling by using middleware. Okay,